go. About time. My toes. There it is. Alright, shut up!
The National Weather Service Office in Portland, Oregon.
Keep this current off me.
The proceeding was a test of NOAA Weather Radio's warning alarm. Tests of these receivers are normally conducted every Wednesday between 11 a.m. and noon. If there is a threat of severe weather on the day of the test, it will be postponed. Forecast for the mountains.
Success, and I forgot to do last week's edits. You know, this would be a good transition, just slide it right now, or should I do it in order? Nah, I'll do it out of order. And
Office in Portland, Oregon. Was a test of NOAA Weather Radio's warning alarm. Tests of these receivers are normally at noon. If there is a threat of severe weather on the day of the test, it will be postponed until the following week. This concludes this test. We now return to our regular programming.
almost missed it. Almost missed it. Especially, I was trying to start with this. Shut up. I was trying to start with this, which is one of my new ones. I still have a video yet to do with this thing. It's just a normal. It's kind of like, where's my old one? It's somewhere around here. It's like my old one. It's a walkie-talkie, but this one it has way better reception on WNG, so I use that instead. This doesn't have alert. I thought it did. No, I need. How dare you fall? It doesn't have an alert, but like the one model above it does, which I'm kind of upset that it does. Not that it matters. At least I heard this. Sweet, sweet home. I'm kidding. Yeet.